GSP is a global leader in the automotive industry, providing a wide range of chassis system parts. With 7 state-of-the-art manufacturing centers strategically located around the world, we offer comprehensive solutions to meet the needs of our customers. Substantial investments in R&D ensure that our production remains aligned with the dynamic changes in the market, providing premium products with NVH excellent performance. Having established a high-tech testing laboratory for ongoing validation of product performance and assessment of production capabilities. GSP adheres to the quality philosophy of taking responsibility for the safety of our customers. The fully automated integrated molding technique creates lighter products with minimal environmental impact, saving energy and reducing emissions. Automated continuous stamping of metal parts deliver greater precision and uniformity, enhancing performance and durability. The use of ultrasonic cleaning in our products leads to an improved product damping stability. Phosphorization process improves bonding strength. GSP's fully automated painting system delivers a consistent Chemlock binder coating thickness for tighter metal-to-rubber bonds. High-grade rubber is a key feature of RTM. GSP imports premium rubber from Malaysia and Thailand to ensure the highest quality product. In the Integrated Processing Center, the automated formula weighing control system ensures stability throughout the production process. Temperature-controlled transit warehouse preserves the rubber properties. GSP imported internationally renowned vulcanizing machines and strictly controls the data to deliver an effective and precise vulcanization. Automated lines equipped with high-precision robotic arms provide superior quality and manufacturing productivity. Latest technological innovations have improved our operations effectiveness. Moving forward, our goal is to increase production efficiency, and we strive to achieve excellence in every product. GSP addresses customer needs through its global warehouse network system, enabling quick and efficient response times. Leveraging our in-market operational advantages, GSP caters market data and cataloging efforts to meet the specific needs of regional markets. This enables us to provide industry-leading coverage, comprehensive product supply, and quality-driven products.